Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum, a model that promises to make everyday cleaning effortless with its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and smart technologies like FloorDetect and Dirt Reveal. If you're in the market for a versatile vacuum that's designed to tackle multiple floor types and handle pet hair with ease, this could be the one. Let's break it down. At first glance, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus offers a host of standout features. The HyperVelocity suction is touted as providing strong performance, especially on everyday messes, from crumbs to pet hair. This vacuum has the added bonus of FloorDetect technology, which automatically adjusts the brush roll speed depending on the floor type, ensuring you don't have to manually switch nozzles. It's one less thing to worry about when you're cleaning your home. The Dirt Reveal technology is another impressive aspect, lighting up hidden dirt and debris with LED headlights. This is a huge plus when cleaning dark corners or under furniture. Plus, if you have allergies, you'll appreciate the HEPA filtration system, which traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Combined with the Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, it's designed to keep particles trapped inside the vacuum, ensuring cleaner air. Now let's talk about real-world performance. In terms of suction, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus is certainly no slouch. On both carpets and hard floors, it does a solid job of picking up dirt, dust, and even embedded pet hair. The self-cleaning brush roll works well, eliminating hair wrap, a common issue with vacuums that pet owners face. This feature alone makes it more convenient, as you don't need to stop and clean the brush roll every time it gets tangled. It's a time saver that's much appreciated, especially for long-haired pets. The vacuum converts easily into a handheld device, making it perfect for cleaning furniture, countertops, and even your car. The included 8-inch crevice tool and upholstery tool are useful for these tasks, giving you additional flexibility. Whether it's cleaning the stairs or picking up debris from upholstery, the tools work well without feeling flimsy. In terms of runtime, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus lasts up to 40 minutes in standard mode, which is decent for a cordless model. However, keep in mind that this is the runtime when using it as a hand vac. If you're using the full stick vacuum setup, that time will likely be shorter, especially on higher power settings. Still, 40 minutes is enough for most average cleaning jobs, making it a solid option for quick to mid-sized cleanups. Weight-wise, the vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleans. Whether you're vacuuming the floors or tackling furniture, it doesn't feel like a burden. It's a good option if you're looking for something that's easy to use without tiring yourself out. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. One potential drawback is the noise. While it's not overwhelmingly loud, it is noticeable, especially in high power mode. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of if you're sensitive to noise. Additionally, the bin capacity is on the smaller side, which means you may need to empty it more often, particularly after larger cleaning sessions. Comparing this model to others in the same category, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus holds its own. Competitors like the Dyson V8 or the Bissell Icon Pet also offer strong suction and specialized pet hair features. However, what sets the Shark apart is the combination of Dirt Reveal and FloorDetect technologies, which add a level of ease and efficiency you might not find in other vacuums. It's also worth noting that the price point of the Shark is more accessible compared to Dyson, making it a solid choice for those who want great performance without breaking the bank. As for build quality, the vacuum feels solid in the hand, with sturdy plastic components. The brush roll seems durable, and the overall construction has held up well, even with frequent use. Maintenance is relatively easy. Just empty the bin, clean the filter, and check the brush roll for any tangled hair. It's a quick process that won't take up much of your time. In terms of longevity, the Shark brand has a good reputation for durable products, and this model seems to live up to that. As long as you follow the maintenance recommendations, you should be able to get a decent lifespan out of it. Of course, the battery life will degrade over time, but that's typical for most cordless vacuums. Customer support from Shark is generally regarded as responsive, with quick solutions offered for any issues that might arise. If you have concerns or questions down the line, their support is there to help. To wrap up, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus is a versatile and reliable vacuum cleaner that does a great job on both carpets and hard floors. The powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and innovative technologies make it a strong contender in its category. It's particularly well-suited for pet owners and allergy sufferers due to its HEPA filter and ability to tackle pet hair without hassle. While it may not have the longest runtime or the largest bin, its overall performance and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for most households. If you're looking for a well-rounded vacuum that won't break the bank, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the product link in the comments box for more details. If you've used this vacuum, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your vacuum running strong.